Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by saving the photo to Files because Photos often hides file size details. Open Photos, pick the image, then tap Share and choose Save to Files. Select a local folder or iCloud drive. Once saved, Files contains the exact file copy. That's why we do this. Files exposes file metadata that Photos does not. Make sure the save completes before leaving the app because incomplete saves won't show accurate size information. Now open Files and go to the folder where you saved the image. You can long press the file or tap the three-dot menu and choose Info. The Info panel displays the file size in bytes and the image type. Once done, you'll see exact numbers rather than vague estimates, which matters for uploads or storage planning. If you saved multiple photos, you can select them and check combined sizes by compressing them into a zip. Files will show the archive size. To finish, remove the duplicate from Files if you prefer not to keep an extra copy. Long press and delete. If the size still looks wrong because iCloud Photos is set to optimize iPhone storage, make sure you tap the cloud icon to download the original. That gives the real file size. And if you need deeper metadata, use a trusted metadata app for DPI, EXIF, or camera info. If something fails, retry saving to a different files, folder, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.